if you're a content creator out there, this is an investment you should make, an investment in your content. So now, while delivering your content to people, you should make sure the audio is clear enough or the camera quality is clear enough. So because in putting money into what is giving you money, it's a nice financial principle for you to get more money. Okay. And talking about investing in your content, I currently invested in Hollyland Lark M2. So this will be like an unboxing video where I'll show you some things about it, and I'll tell you if this investment is worth it for your content creation. So if you're an Instagram content creator, YouTube content creator, TikTok content creator, we'll check if this Hollyland Lark M2 is something you should invest in. So without further ado, let's dive in. So getting this, the price is around $160. I got it for 250,000 naira, and you can get it on Gigi. There are some vendors out there selling the product. So when you get it, it's something like this, and you just open it. So opening it, you see the casing here. That's where there's a user manual and is some stickers where you can place on the microphones. So once you open it, you're seeing something like this. So you can see it's there. You see the box, but we'll come over to the box later on. Then you see the receiver which you plug to your phone. That's your lightning cable. You see another receiver where you plug to your Type-C and your Android phone on Type-C. So coming down, you would see another bag. In this bag, I'll see some equipment or some accessories you need for it, and this is a silica gel. So opening the bag now, we are seeing a kind of necklace. This necklace now will help you to create to hang the mic on your clothes. So if you wear it, you can hang the mic thereabout. I'll come back to that. You can see the wind muff to filter wind and the noise from the wind. You can still see the stuff, the necklace for your audio, for your mic rather. You can see the clip here. Since there are two mic, they gave us two necklace, like two stuff, and that wind muff. Now coming down, also we are seeing this adapter now, or this cord where you can use to connect the receiver to your to your digital camera. So this will be used if you're using the digital camera. Then you can see the USB, the cable to charge your device. Now coming up to what's inside the box. Now this is the box. This is what costs about 80% of that money thereabout. So when you open it, you are seeing two transmitter and one receiver. So this is the receiver you use for your digital mic. This for your digital camera, you plug it with this stuff. You do something of this nature, you put it inside and you plug it to your digital camera, and that's the gain. So that's for that. Then you can see the two transmitters. So you can see as small as they are, very tiny, so more like a button, but they are very sharp. I'll be getting into how it will sound. I'll be test running the sound for you to hear. So this is an investment one can go about making. Now let's test run the sound to see if it's okay to get this microphone. So I just put the microphone on my chest, on my clothes, and the receiver is there, the lightning receiver. It's inside my phone, and you can see how it sounds. I don't know if it's sounding better than the audio from my phone, but I guess it should be sounding clearer and more quality than the audio from my phone. So talking about the price of this product, 250,000 naira, about $160. The price is kind of worth it if you compare it with the DJI mic or the Rode 2 or the Rode mic. You would see that those mics are a bit expensive, more expensive than this one, but they are almost on the same quality level. They give you a clear sound, and it's a nice investment if you want to go about content creation, because I can also use it to for ENI, that's noise cancellation. So I can environmental noise cancellation. If I just click on this, you see the light changing to green. So once the light changes to green, if there is any noise in my background, it kind of mutes that noise and you are hearing the sound better. So that's one thing I need to advise people. Since this content this channel is all about financial advice, this is one investment you need to know. So investing in your content is a nice thing. So this content is not about just the unboxing, it's about you understanding the principle of making money, that investing in what gives you money is one way to make more money. So subscribe to this YouTube channel as we keep bringing you ways to go about making cool cash online and some other financial principle you need to know. Stay tuned for our next one. Peace.